Hello student, this session we have to use how to add image in our web page. Last session we have to use formatting tag using Edit Plus software. Again we have to start Edit Plus software. File, New, HTML page. This is a ready-made or predefined tags for our. We have to also define own tag. First HTML, end of HTML. Title, image tag, end of title. Then head tag, use my images, end of head tag. Then main part is body tag, end of body. Then creating our image tag. Here Edit Plus software can be used easily adding the images. Look at these buttons. Image. Click here. Number of images here. We have to choose anything. Open it. All tags are ready-made for you. The syntax of image tag is img space src. src means source. This can be path of your where you have to save your image in double quotation. It height, width, also it border, and it is alter parameter. How to look this? Just press Ctrl B. Wow! If this image is a very large, then we have to change that way. I can change width and height and show again like this. Also this name is center. How? Center tag, use pair tag like that. Then we have to create number of image. Then we have to choose again image tag syntax. Open it. We have to again choose another image. You can click, open it, and set his size. I have to set all thing as 500, width and height is again 500. Second image is also 500 and height is 500. Third image is also select 500 and height is 500, like as this. Then this is next page. We have to choose how. Four, four, four. Again 4, 4, 4. Like that. In that case, if you have to get border for each image, you can show it. You have to border 1, 2, 1, like that. This is one border, this 2, it is dark for this both of you. You can also create number of borders, 10, like that. This image tag is a very simple, but we have to remember that this is main syntax of our image tag. img source file means path of your images, height, width and border it. Many things of that, number of images you want to add this HTML web page. Thank you.